Shawty says she no come for the money, oh. She come for the body, oh. Her friends and she has no.
It's my brother music.
Sweet like a Mario, Mario.
They look like that. No, Nedu, oh, you for pause now, so they clap for you. You could just pause.
No.
Play am again.
No. Where would they pause? Change your style.
Hey,
Another one. Another one.
Hey.
Then you go freeze.
Freeze. Stay like that.
Hey.
Stay like that. Stay like that. Change your style.
Hey.
Another one.
Hey.
Stay like that.
She don't play again these days.
Children don't play again. Now Ben 10, Avatar, SpongeBob. I hate that SpongeBob.
It is.
I hate that SpongeBob.
I just vex from there. I can't sit down. I won't see what they enjoy.
You understand?
SpongeBob. How about Garfield? Go sit down there.
That one best.
I like Garfield and Mumu. But that's SpongeBob.
Square pants.
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. I'm like, what the? Wait.
You they talk like that. Those children, if you know they see all their eyes.
And they are annoying. And the annoying part is if your mama and papa were there for house, you go know all the whole song. For example, now Tony from Andoy Kitimoku take your call first of all. Tony, good evening.
Good evening, how you doing?
Fine, thank you, my brother. How your side?
How your day now?
My brother, I first scarcity the warrior also. You said?
I think you sing for a call show today. I think that's like you take waka.
My brother.
The day you don't see us, you just know. Say,
the day when you not see us for this week, make you know say for another day.
At all.
Not everywhere.
Your side, how you be for that place?
Like the jam like for filling station. No?
More.
Like seriously, now that naira 1 penny they sell am here.
Is a lie.
Not true.
Hey.
Concerning this matter. My talent to go work for Nigeria.
Now talent and go work for Nigeria, not be hard work.
But the thing is, it's better make person go school, collect certificate, make it open doors.
Okay.
Person graduate though.
Okay, so
you talent no work, at least your certificate go work. But the best thing is make person grow as a build up the talent with God don't give up.
First of all, okay. All right.
What I believe.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you very much. God go help you make you see fuel.
Amen. No.
If it's too hard, the piece inside your jarican.
You know, say no be everybody fits know their talents.
No, not everybody. No, person don't ask me.
No. So what be your talent?
Not be once, not be twice. People don't ask me, say, what be, how you go take find out in talent? Now I tell them, say, what be that thing? Some people, they did hard for them to know their talent.
Yes.
It did very, very hard. Don't go like give you.
You know,
plenty people. From Abia, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Yeah.
It is very hard for some people to know their talent. But what they tell people say, what thing be that thing when you say it is easy
for you to do.
That thing when other people they find very hard to do.
And you just the do am cha cha.
You just the do am.
I know.
Your own now waiting.
No, I use the say I know
because for me, I can talk.
You're a
I'm a talkist. Nah, I talk for you. I'm a talkist. I can talk if na.
So you go enter the Guinness Book of Record for talking.
For talking, I sabi talk. If na to make people laugh, I dey try small. If na to sing,
no, nothing.
No, I beg, Nedu, I beg.
No,
if na to what? Honorable from Abana, mistake. I not talk white. I don't know what you hear. Honorable, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
How would they find my brother? How your side?
Fine.
You see this first scarcity for Abba?
Yes, I'm calling from Abba.
Wait.
First scarcity there.
Pardon?
Okay.
You get fuel for Abba?
Fuel there for Abba.
You said where I...
Okay.
My brother, what you want contribution to the topic? How far?
Yes, I want to contribute to the topic.
Talent and hard work. Which one you think say pay pass?
For Nigeria.
Talk well. I don't understand what you're talking.
Okay.
Honorable,
bye-bye. Oh, you don't enter junk file.
Why bye-bye? You don't want me to contribute?
No, okay, Honorable, you hear me?
Yes, I want to contribute to the argument.
Don't worry. Honorable, contribute now. Contribute.
Okay. What I'm saying about the is it a retirement or whatever they are giving upon? Are you laughing? There is a constitution over that job.
Okay.
There is rules that guide that job.
Okay, the job.
And that rule cannot be thwarted because of one person or the other.
Yes.
Okay.
No matter wherever you come from.
Yes.
You must follow the rule.
The
If
constitution.
The rule says that you will go on terminal leave for 3 months. You must go no matter wherever you come from.
Yes. Bye-bye. God bless you. Bye-bye.
It's okay.
God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Which?
It's the constitution.
Follow which rule?
Nkiru, good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, Nedu.
My sister, better person with you. How your side today?
Hey.
Thank God. Nedu, I think that's where they dance now. My talent or hard work.
Which one? Now this one. Abi, another one.
Nkiru, I don't know.
Nkiru, choose one now. Hey, Nkiru.
Nkiru asked you that question. He said, "Na talent, I mean, hard work."
Anyway, what we see to discuss, in case you just join us for the night show for today, we they say talent and hard work. Now, which one they pay pass? For Nigeria, talent and hard work, which one they pay pass? Now, easy bit make I ask you.
Yeah.
Talent and hard work, which one you feel say they pay pass?
For Nigeria.
And why?
Okay, now number one,
But let's say 2 of them they pay pass. So
number one, they pay, but it all depends on how it depends on how you approach them. And some issue where most people they get most times, they get talent, but they don't notice them like what they do to the other time. They don't notice say this is a talent, and they go come ignore and begin they chase waiting up behind. You understand? According to what that first caller talk, he say talent they make sense, but make you go school first. But in recess, talent and school they clash. If you don't manage them, you understand?
Some people they come out for school because of their talent.
You understand? They clash.
If the talent they pay them back.
Let make some music. Okay, Onadugo, good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
How are you there today, sir?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
We do. You see this first scarcity, so?
How na fit come? Na take leg
my brother, how we go do now?
Today we don't know tomorrow.
We never, now we talk.
I think say una no go come today.
Now they tell you say if you not see us anytime for this week, make you know say for another day.
There's no need now. That's the problem of Nigeria. If una no come, no blame.
How much before for your side?
They talk of price. No, but the problem there is some people go begin the queue for line.
Yes.
You never try another place. You no go check another place.
Whether for a day.
If you see line, if you just come out from your clothes, if you see line, you enter. Like say, class, they worry the person. And another one, they say you go queue for line and finish it. Go reach it there and 10 liters you go buy. You no go fully a tanky. As you know, say fuel no there. That is the real agenda people where no get ahead. But then the question, panicking, everybody they do.
Oh, okay.
Panicking. Now, okay, now this type of panicking, now they do. They say election, people go die. Now all of them, some people die for road. Then election, they postpone them. Now Abiola something. They say Abiola go carry US people. Everybody go die for road. Abiola come on his own. Now they panicking, now they do. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, in case you don't understand, Mustafa from Kaduna, good evening. Go come back to it. Mustafa, Mustafa, good evening.
Everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How your side?
Fine, thank God.
I bet this casting reach on a place.
Yeah.
Wow.
I bought for a Kaduna today 120.
Wow.
120.
120.
Wow.
They say what happened.
I bought in Kaduna today.
So this thing where Onodu go talk say na panic buying, not be panic buying.
Oh.
Because if na panic buying, then be say na only Lagos you go there. Since na everywhere now, then not be panic buying. Anyway, Mustafa, for this thing we will talk about today, talent or hard work, which one you think say go pay pass for Nigeria?
Talent they pass though.
Okay, na talent then go pay pass for Nigeria.
Yeah, that's what's happening in Nigeria here now.
Okay.
They prefer those that have the paper than those who have talent.
Okay, then prefer people who get paper than those who get talent.
Just example of now, I'm an engineer.
Okay.
I'm an engineer now. I study engineering or automobile engineering now.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes,
we hear you.
I read move to my engineer. If my car spoil now, I'll go and look for a mechanic who has the talent of repairing it.
Okay.
Then who?
Okay.
Who's better? It's not the roadside mechanic that has talent.
Of course, for it. Yes.
Automobile.
Yes.
So me, I support the talent 100%. Just like yourself now. You said that you read the accounting.
Yes.
And then what are you doing now? You know the talent they're using.
My brother,
now what money? Now work I look up. They give me work now. They do my brother. Anyone?
That is talent.
Thank you very much, Mustafa.
Thank you very much.
He tried.
Now go there.
He tried to explain it too.
Peter from Sulere, good evening.
Difference this small.
Nedu.
Man of God. How is the ministry?
I don't try your number, please, now.
Nah, devil walk.
Now traffic, caused by fuel.
Now fuel not there. Now traffic and fuel. How far this fuel matter of today? How you see him?
You don't know what happened?
What happened?
On Saturday, I'll go buy fuel.
You know say fuel goes scarce?
You know say
I don't know. No, Saturday I just reach there. They don't come get fuel.
Yes.
I said, okay, I'll go another location. And I can't go there. I can't wait like 1 hour for that.
1 hour?
This guy be like person they lie.
On Saturday?
On Saturday. You can wait on they buy the fuel.
No.
You talk say Saturday you buy.
Saturday I buy fuel.
On free free plus.
Yes. But that Saturday for night. For night, when I be the go house, traffic, small queue.
Don't the day.
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Did they hear me?
Peter, I'll see they hear you.
Now the woman, shout for woman, say when you go put the rubber for queue now.
Okay.
You know what the woman tell me?
What you tell you?
He tell me say go jail me if I talk anything again. And I shout for the woman. I don't say the woman carry police come for the station. No. Come by fuel, imagine.
She carry police come back.
Anyway, this topic we want to talk about talent or hard work. Which one you think say pay pass for Nigeria?
See, they do for Nigeria forget talent. So if you know they hard work, you know go anywhere.
But you know say well. No problem. Now your own.
Okay, Peter, you get any special talent? What's in your talent?
What's your own talent?
I do graphics.
You get everybody get talent.
I do graphics now.
Okay, graphics. Now be your own. You sabi do graphics. Okay, so you do them easy, not the hard you.
Yes, now.
So you feel say even with the graphics you sabi, you know they pay you.
Yeah, pay now hard work now.
Okay, which means with the talent, you they work hard more, make it better.
You know, just sit that one place.
Okay.
All right. Peter, nice one. Thank you very much, Peter.
Now, what's
okay, now, no.
Thank you. Aji on the line. Good evening. From Warri, Aji, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
My brother, how your side?
I bomb.
Fuel scarcity day for Warri?
I did airport road.
Okay, fuel day there?
I buy fuel to do.
And wahala not there, no queue, no anything?
No, nothing there. Everything there, no more.
Let them all go buy fuel for us.
Let me say now, one will come buy fuel.
87 naira now buy today.
87.
Will they come tomorrow, come buy the fuel?
I beg, Ajay, which area they live? One come buy fuel for Warri tomorrow.
Airport road by total filling station for airport road. I buy fuel today, 87 naira.
Okay, I beg. Tomorrow by 10.
Tomorrow, maybe they there by 10 o'clock in the morning. We'll come buy fuel there.
If you come and fill with actually 4 liters now, sir.
No worry. Okay, Ajay, quick. This matter we talk about talent and hard work. Which one you think say pay pass?
Talent too.
Talent go pay pass for Nigeria.
Yes, even hard work, who go down money reach truck pusher?
My brother, even hard work, who go down money reach those when they dig ground.
Water. All them $80 for not get money reach.
Abi. So na talent.
Talent.
Thank you.
I don't think I say my pikin as a boner. If you just do say they do like one kind of footballer, it will be you.
If they do like one kind, you go not say begin when they play, begin when they kick him mama belle anyhow. When you see the belle, paku. You go not say now footballer. Anyway, thank you, Ajay.
You don't know say now footballer with that one.
Thank you. Anyway, now for you now go back small chicken break. We will come back. We will continue with the topic we will discuss this night: talent and hard work. Which one pay pass for inside Nigeria? We will come back.
I wanna love you now. I wanna love you down. I get you, take it down. I take you around the world.